Oh, very nice, very nice. GM-D1004 4-channel 400-watt max amplifier. Oh boy. What is this? Oh, get out. Oh, look at it. So beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, what's in here? Ah, la cables. I see. All right, cool. How are we gonna do this, mate? How are we gonna do this? Okay. Should really read the instructions, but you know, who reads those, eh? Okay, what's this? Front speaker input, rear speaker input. Alright, speaker input. Okay, I'm gonna untangle all this mumbo jumbo and come back once I know what the hell I'm doing. Okay, so I think I figured this out. This is behind the stereo. You disconnect these two and you plug them into this, and then you plug this into the power one here. So this is the power that goes to the stereo, but you disconnect these two, plug them into that, put the power into that, and plug this speaker input into this one. I'm guessing that's what you do from what I can see. And then this thing plugs into there, speaker input, and this one plugs into there. So let me do this and see how it goes. Okay, so speaker wires, and then this is the power wire that comes off of there, and we plug that into the one that goes to the stereo. Just make sure these are the same power there, power accessory, yes, we are good. We're good to go. Oh yeah, this one plugs in to there. Okay, right, so that's it. Those original ones go to there. That's there. Okay, let's see if this thing actually turns on. Okay, we have power. It's a good start. Let's shut the windows. And we set volume. What do I have it on? Volume 8. Volume 8, like before. Same sort of position. And go. Okay, so straight away the improvement is, it is very noticeable. Like, it just, I don't know what it does, it just kaboosh, gives them more oomph. I should have got it a long time ago, because these head units don't really give you much power to the speakers. And there's no point in getting speakers if you're just going to use the basic head unit. So yeah, get yourself one of these. But now I need to find a place to put it. Let me see where I can put this doohickey, and then I'll show you where I put it. Okay, so I basically fed the wires through the back there, and they come out from under here. Will it fit? Got no damn light down there, mate. Alright, so I've decided to do a bit of surgery. I'm thinking to have it like this. Maybe cut a little section out here and cut a little section here so the wires can go in without any problem. I was thinking that way, but then here it just slots in nicely. So I will do a little bit of surgery with my knife. Yes, be very careful, these are sharp. And I'll be back. That's the first one, and there's a little second one. Okay, here's how we're looking so far. So a little slot there, so the wires can go in nicely, and then the little groove there, so that the wires don't get smudged up. And we're good to go, mate. Alright, made a little extra groove inside here, so the wire can run nice and flat. And then these just dangle up there. I ain't gonna bother to do anything with those. This thing's in there. All done, mate. Lovely jubbly. Yeah, one thing I forgot to mention, if you have the RCA outputs for the front and the rear, then you can just use these and plug that straight into that amp, and you'll be good to go. But this one only has it's only got fronts, so yeah, we all good. We all good, mate. Right, I'm out of here. Here's the thingamajig. Goodbye.